school, the smart school, ये मेरा school है.
Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to your English class. Students, today we are going to read about masculine and feminine. Students, masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. Now let's start the reading of masculine and feminine. Here is the first word, boy. Boy, and its feminine is girl. Girl. The next word is father. Father, and its feminine is mother. Mother. The next word is uncle. Uncle, and its feminine is aunt. Aunt. The next word is bull, and its feminine is cow. Cow. And the last word is prince. Prince, and its feminine is princess. Princess. Students, learn this masculine and feminine from your notes. Thank you.